The wife of SPO3 Ricky Santa Isabel had so much to say to prove her husband is innocent in the kidnap slay of Korean businessman Ji Ik-ju.
Biktima lang po yung asawa ko dito. Hindi niya po magagawang mangidnap, hindi niya po magagawang pumatay.
In a press conference, Ricky's wife Jinky allowed media to listen to portions of an audio recording of her phone conversation with attorney Rafael Dumlao when he called on January 14. That conversation she recorded revealed what she claims was a planned cover-up operation to disprove participation of Dumlao and company in the killing of the Korean national. Dumlao was Ricky's boss and also one of the team leaders in the anti-illegal drugs group of the Philippine National Police.
Ang nagplano po talaga niyan ay yung kanyang boss na si Attorney Rafael Dumlao.
Jinky narrates that Dumlao admitted Ricky was never involved in kidnapping. She says Dumlao pleaded her to convince Ricky to join as a lookout in their planned cover-up operation. Jinky adds PNP anti-kidnapping group head Glenn Dumlao and a certain Macapagal and Yalong were also trying to convince Ricky. In the cover-up operation, Jinky claims Dumlao and company were to execute the policemen who witnessed Dumlao torturing the Korean national last October 18. She says they'll make it appear those policemen were the real kidnappers and were killed in an operation.
Kaya gusto nilang isenaryo or papatayin yung mga pulis na yon para lang daw isalba nila si Ricky. Parang tinatakpan nila yung ginawa nila.
If this happens, Jinky says Dumlao told her PNP Chief Ronald Bato de la Rosa promised to remove the manhunt order against Santa Isabel. Jinky also presented a CCTV footage that shows Dumlao was in their house several times to convince Ricky to take part in the cover-up operation. Ricky, however, refused to join the cover-up operation since it was against his conscience. To prove Ricky's innocence, Jinky insists Ricky was in Manila at the time of the kidnapping of G in Angeles City in Pampanga. It was Ricky, Jinky also admits, who brought Ji Ik-ju's remains to a crematorium in Caloocan City. But Glenn Dumlao earlier said it was Ricky who brought G from Angeles until Camp Crame, where he supervised the torture of the Korean. The PNP chief, however, is wondering why Jinky implicated Glenn Dumlao.
Yan man ang director ng anti-kidnapping group na kaka-assume lang nitong Disyembre. Nangyari yung kidnapping nila is October. Hindi pa panahon ni Glenn Dumlao yan.
The preliminary investigation into the case is expected anytime this week. In the meantime, Jinky and her family fear for their lives. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.